to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me New Year's Eve edition. I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look and what I'm wearing right now. I'm also going to show you guys how I did my hair. So if you guys would like to see that, just keep on watching.
Okay, so I begin by prepping my eyelids with some concealer. Really any concealer works. And then I just take these two light brown shades, mix them together and put them in my crease. Those are from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And then I also take this like yellowy color and put that in my brow bone. Then to prep some glitter eyeshadow, I am putting on concealer on my lower lid. And then I also prep my eyeshadow brush with just some setting spray. And then taking some different shimmery colors from just different palettes. You really just can use any shimmer color as long as it's like a lighter color. And then I do like the darker golds on the outside just to add sort of like an ombre, like deeper effect. Then I take this brown color and I'm just trying to blend it into the outer corners of my eyes to give it some more depth. Then I'm just taking a Clean and Clear moisturizer and moisturizing under my eyes and around my nose. And then I apply some eyeliner. I just did a little bit of a wing on each eye. And then I also take a black liner, this one's from Estee Lauder, and I put it on my top waterline and I also do my bottom. Next, I'm taking my Rainforest of the Sea by Tarte concealer, applying that under my eyes, and then also taking a Naked concealer and just mixing them together because they're both not really my shade, so I kind of just try to mix them together, which is exactly what I do with my foundation, which is from Fenty by Rihanna. I think I use the shade 130 and 110 and just mix them together. After I look at Casper the Ghost, I decide to make myself look a little less pale by just putting on a, what's that called, powder. It's just Maybelline, shut up, it's just from Maybelline. And then I also put on some Hoola bronzer from, I don't know what brand, shut up. And this Wizard sucks, like this is taking me so long. You guys get the picture. I'm putting on blush, putting on bronzer, and then I'm doing my eyebrows. I do my eyebrows with eyeshadow, like just a dark brown eyeshadow actually, instead of like brow, I don't know, substance. I don't know what you'd call that. I am so tired. And then I take the same brush and just go under my eyes to look like a goth queen, you know? And then after that, I decide to put on some fake eyelashes, which made the look pretty dramatic.
Now I got my fake eyelashes on.
So I and my family watch your show religiously. We tape it, we watch it after work for years and years. So I feel like I know you very well. What would you want to know about me?
So as I was watching the Ellen special on Netflix, I lined my lips with this lip liner from Ulta, and then I took a Kylie matte lip shade, and I'm not honestly sure what the color was called. And then I took Buxom lip gloss in the shade Celeste to add a little sparkle to my lips, and then I curled my eyelashes. The mascara I'm using is just from Maybelline. And okay, now I'm doing my hair. So for my hair, I have no idea how to describe what I'm doing. I think it's called a Dutch braid, where you like braid under. And I started, if this makes any sense, you can kind of see, I started with grabbing both sections, but then I ended up doing just like the back side, grabbing sections, and then just making it into a regular braid. That sounds really confusing, but it's really, really easy. Then taking the largest barrel of my Numi 3-in-1 curling iron, I just curled some pieces of my hair. It didn't look very good, but I just wanted it to look a little more put together than having like some straight pieces. I don't really know, just watch. So what do I need to say? Oh, I did my, what is this called, Sierra?
A setting spray.
Yes, setting spray. That's what that is.
I also got my nails done for New Year's.
Just leave me alone.
So in this outfit, my top is from Justice and my jeans are from Old Navy.
Oh, and if you're cold, you can get a jacket. This is my favorite jacket I've like ever owned, and I own a lot of jackets.
My really expensive jacket is from Walmart and my shoes are from Goodwill.
The nails just fell over. Ooh, and if you need a cute backpack, I got you.
And finally, my cute backpacks from Build-A-Bear.
That is all for my get ready with me. I hope you guys really enjoyed and got some inspiration for what you guys are gonna wear or do your hair like, or how you're gonna do your makeup. I don't know. I wish you guys all such a happy new year, and I feel like this year is gonna be really good. So with that being said, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.